After the recent failure that is the Samsung Galaxy Fold, there might actually be some hope of a better device from Samsung with new leaks about the new Galaxy 10 coming to light. The phone is set to release this fall, but rumors and leaks have already begun to drop, surprisingly. Today, I'll be giving you information on new specs, details, changes, and leaks on the new Galaxy Note 10. So hold on to your butts, this will be a wild ride. Hey everyone, my name is ReauBeau, and I make tech videos about tech news. And today we'll be talking about the Galaxy Note 10, but before we get into that, first let's talk about another phone set to release later on this year, the OnePlus 7 Pro. So about a while ago, a leaker by the name of Ashan Agarwal has shown the world some images of the phone in all of its glory. And based on the photos, it seems like we're gonna get a super cool pop-up camera, as there was no sign of a notch or hole punch camera cutout on the front display. Another look at the photos and you'll notice a very minimalistic bezel design in different colors, because we're totally not going to buy cases that'll cover them up anyways. Like, who leaves out their phone naked anymore? Wait, do you? Yeah, I didn't think so. Anyways, the colors are nebula blue and mirror gray, which both sound very techy and new, I guess. We'll go with that. I don't know. The OnePlus 7 Pro will also have a 90Hz Quad HD display, 3x optical zoom lenses for the rear cameras, stereo speakers, and 4000 mAh battery with its 30-watt warp charger thingy. The flagship device will have 3 configurations that I'll put up on the screen for you guys to look at for a couple of seconds, and you should be good now. The OnePlus 7 Pro will also have a 5G variant similar to the Galaxy Note 10 range, but more on that later. Alright, those are all the details I could gather for the OnePlus 7 Pro. Let's move on to the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. First off, the Galaxy Note 10 will feature 4500 mAh battery, which is much larger than its predecessor, the Note 9. And if you've been online recently, you can find an image of the Note 10 battery, which indeed confirms this, just really pixelated so it's hard to see. There will be 2 variants of the Note 10 series, namely the Galaxy Note 10, obviously, and the Galaxy Note 10 Pro, with the former including a small 6.28-inch display, while the latter has a larger 6.75-inch display. Speaking of display, it is rumored that the phone might rock a whole new hole punch camera cutout, get it, in the middle of the phone, or the complete removal of the hole punch altogether, which some suspect suggests that the phone might rock a whole new selfie pop-up camera, but that's a real challenge for the case makers. Anyways, we also know that there will be a 5G and 4G version, an S Pen, and maybe, just maybe, the complete removal of all physical buttons, as a report from a Korean news outlet called ET News says that the Note series would be the first to finally rid of the power and volume button. This is especially great for people who hate the Bixby button with a passion, because now it will finally disappear. Alright, we've reached the end of this video, and if you've watched this far, thank you so much. I appreciate all your support and watch time for this channel. So thank you very much. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon as well, because you'll love hearing tech news from me. This is Dojo Mojo, being the nerd that he is, signing out.